Hi, I'm Lenora Janine, and I was introduced to the Zontos hydrogen water machine a little more than a month ago. I had contracted a virus and had been exhibiting lots of coughing and a lot of congestion. Nothing that I tried helped it go away, helped me stop coughing, helped with the congestion. And I met Dean, the owner of Zontos, and he suggested that I try the hydrogen water machine. So I got the machine and tried it. The end of the first day, I noticed that I was coughing less than I had been and that I was able to sleep well through the night. By the second day, I noticed I was barely coughing. I remember getting to the end of that day and saying, whoa, I barely coughed today. And by the third day, I had barely any congestion at all. So I'm not one that is easily convinced about these types of things. But now I'm a believer. I tried it for myself. I drank the hydrogen water. Not only did it help with my cough and my congestion, but I felt better. I had sustained energy throughout the day. I slept well, and it just made me feel so much better overall. I didn't get hit that slump where I get tired through the day. And so I highly recommend that if you aren't feeling well, or if you just want to help feel better overall, have more sustained energy throughout the day, perhaps you can try it for your cough or your congestion. I highly recommend that you give the Zontos hydrogen water machine a try.